those who live in glass houses should not cast the first stone. Also, those who live in glass houses should not undress with the lights on. What is technology? It's the application of scientific knowledge for practical purposes or machinery and devices developed from scientific knowledge. What is acumen? The ability to make good judgments and take quick decisions. But can you imagine a good decision without any data? And can you imagine data today without technology? Technology is very, very important to assessment of a patient. Apart from your acumen, in today's day and age, it supplements acumen. You need technology for better visualization and understanding. So when Colles diagnosed and wrote his paper about Colles, when his next year, later on when the x-rays came in, they said, oh, Colles used to diagnose Colles fractures by acumen. Why do you need technology? Why do you need x-rays for that? This is what these gentlemen who use 6-axis fixators, gentlemen who use locking plates, gentlemen who use robotics for spine, they are just going to come here and argue for the sake of arguing. When you have this kind of a fracture, if you don't have a CT scan, do you think you can fix this well if you don't have a locking plate? All technology, do you think you can fix this well? We are not in the days of Schatzker's classification, where these nice and simple line drawings, you could put in 2 screws. What you get today is this. Can you diagnose this on an X-ray? Can you fix this without technologically advanced instrumentation? Without technologically advanced implants? Not possible. Whatever your clinical acumen. So you need technology for better instrumentation. Would you allow an anesthetist to monitor your patient with his hands on the pulse? Then why different reasons for us? You need better treatment options, which is what technology gives you. Lock plates, locking nails. These are all the results of technology. So, acumen, you need how not to get your feet wet in this situation. And acumen, that is good judgment, you need how not to get your ass swiped by the car. But technology keeps you safe.
Mangal.